May 22, 2024. I am reviewing Euro. And for the Euro today, as said yesterday, it's forming lower low, lower high. And also we look at 240 minute. I said, trading within the wedge, look for a breakout. So today there was a breakout below this trend line. All right, we broke it. Now it closed below it. So this trend line, it becomes this triangle wedge is now invalid. We have a new pattern. And let's look at 5 minutes what happened today. So today range is about 40 pips, so that's good. Should be able to pick up some points. And I said yesterday, this one should be support right here. 10-day moving average should be good support, and this trend line here too is a good support too. So I went long here. I got signal coming in, so I went long around 1.03. I only picked up about 10 pips. I didn't pick up a lot of pips, so I only got 10 pips profit today. I missed the short from 1.086, the top. I missed it, so that's unfortunate. But anyway, I was able to pick up, the long entry, about 10 pips. And let's see. Okay, let's see what happened. The Euro. Actually, Euro, if I wasn't sleeping, probably I would get, pick up the short position. Since, I was in bed, I didn't do anything until early in the morning. But anyway, yeah, this is for the 5-minute time frame. 50 cross about 200. It did cross. It's not a good, setup for a trade. You got to be nimble to get out. So this is not a good setup for a long entry. We got double top, so it didn't go further, so went back down, and then have a downside. If you look at the daily. All right, I said 5 days is a resistance. I said yesterday 5 days of resistance, so it's a resistance. It got tested again, and also forming lower low, lower high in smaller time frames right here. So it's slightly bearish. So it didn't go back to yesterday's high. So right now I would say it's quite bearish. I thought this is it's forming, it was forming a bull flag. Now it's wait for one more day to confirm this is a reversal trend. Okay, wait for one more day. I said yesterday, still, bull flag. It could change. It was a bull flag, but tomorrow, one more drop, it's not bull flag anymore. That means, the trend is reversal. So the trend is reversed. It's a downtrend. So for now, let's wait and see tomorrow what's going to happen. But if you look at the daily chart, look at all the previous 5 bar candlestick bar, almost all of them is lower low, lower high. Right? That's not a good sign. Unless tomorrow is close above yesterday's high, which is this one right here. So now this is a resistance. it should be resistance. It has to be close above this high in order to turn around. So we will see tomorrow. Let's look at support and resistance for this evening or tomorrow when the market opens. We got 5-day moving average on the daily chart. Look at the daily chart here. The 5-day looks like the 5-day will cross 10-day moving average. If it happens, that means it has to go further down or stay within the inside bar, inside the candlestick bar of yesterday. This one doesn't look too good to me. So look for resistance. We got 5-day and 10-day moving average on the resistance. Support we got below. We have 200-day and 20-day moving average. So lots of support below. Don't give up if you want to go long. If you see major support below, you know what to do, right? When you hit resistance up there, 5-day, 10-day, or even higher, you know what to do. It's pretty simple. This one should be a cake. Should be an easy trade, just like today. All right? Today, it hit the 10-day moving average, which is 1.083. Even hit 1.083 right here, 1.083, which is this line here. If you got in here, you should pick up about 10 pips, and that's what I did. I wasn't greedy, so I got out with 10 pips profit. So tomorrow, and one thing we should pay attention now, every time we see a pattern like this, let me see. Every time we see a pattern like this, a channel, upward channel like this, always a breakout. Remember, always when there's a breakout, you know what to do, right? If it breaks up, that means a new trend. If it breaks down, you have to look for a downtrend. And on this case, it breaks down. So look for a short always. Like this case, now look for, could be a new low for this week coming. A low for this week. Okay, not this month. Once break below, it will hit, below. Look for support. And also don't forget, so far the 50 moving average not cross above 200 moving average yet. So that's another opportunity for long entry, as long as it's create new pattern. This pattern is too long. Let it break first. Don't get in now. Wait till the pattern complete. Every time we see a pattern like this, right? Exactly like this. Look at it. Has a breakout. It'll go further down. Same as a downside. Like this one, when we tapering, when it's a downward channel, once break, it will have a reversal, temporary reversal. I think you know what to do. But anyway, yeah, look for a pattern. Always look for a pattern. Don't get trapped, in the pattern. Or you want to get out early, fast. Once you're trapped in the pattern, you have to get out fast. Okay? Because right now, like this pattern, you don't know how far it will go, but it looks like tapering. We're trading very, very narrow within the channel. And this one too, right? This one's a new one as we speak. Trading narrowly upward within the channel. So wait for a breakout. If it breaks above, then you go long. And you break below, look for support below. Okay? It has to be not, when I say breakout above, you have to look for 2 bars at least, 2 bars above this trend line or 2 bars below this trend line to set up your position. But anyway, I want to make it simple. Okay, for tomorrow's support and resistance, we now, since it already closed below 10-day moving average, it's obvious the resistance at 5-day and 10 days. Okay, these are resistance. And then we got support below for sure. Hit major hit major support. You know what to do, right? Major support. I'd rather have hit major support than resistance. The chances of, the risk reward should be good when it hits major support. So be patient. If it hit, major resistance like 5-day, you should know what to do. Always buy low, sell high. And let's look at the weekly. The weekly, look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far we have 5 up weekly bar. And this week, and I hit the major upper trend line. This one's a resistance now, I believe. So this week could be negative. We don't know yet. But I'm kind of thinking could be resistance. Okay, now let's look at this one. Now this one looks like, this definitely is a bull flag. Okay, still bull flag in my opinion. So not worry, don't be so bearish. Now we know our support and resistance. For the resistance, we got 5-day and 10-day moving average. For the support, it's below 200. Watch out for this low, for this candlestick bar low. Okay, once break below, it will go further down to retest 200-day moving average or 20-day moving average. So look for your entry setup. Always buy low, sell high. Good luck on your trading. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.